Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I am going to make video on how to use the Revolve command in Creo Parametric. Those who have the Creo Parametric software, please open your Creo Parametric software and just get started. And those who don't have the software, so the download link and how to install that software, the video is available on my YouTube channel. Okay, so just click on file, take the new file. Next, click on part as a type and solid as a subtype and take this tick mark, click on OK. Next, click on millimeters. System has generated the interface or workspace. Okay, so let's get started. Here in this model you will find this command, revolve command is here. Revolve the sketch section around a center line. Okay, means for revolving in a section we require a center line. Okay, so first of all I will the process is as just click on the sketch, then select the front plane, then click on the sketch, then click on the sketch view, and then next in the sketch view take the center line, draw vertical center line. The first point I took, this is the second point. Center line is drawn. Move aside and click middle mouse button. Next, go to the sketch and take this rectangle, because I will revolve this rectangular shape around this center axis. Okay, and how it I will show. Just go to the rectangle command, take the center rectangle and just draw over here aside of the nearby center line. Okay, like this. I have drawn this rectangle. Move aside and double click or click the middle mouse button. Next, go to the sketch and click on OK. Click on this fit view, refit view. Okay, here the rectangle is here and center line is here. Now go to the model and then click on this revolve. After revolving, here object is in you can see this revolve effect. Okay, the whatever the sketch I have drawn here it is rectangular shape is revolve around this center axis. Center axis is here and the shape is here. If you draw the circle instead of this rectangle, then the circular shape will be revolve around this axis. Okay, now next. Okay, so this is how you can use this command, and in this command different options are also available here. You can manually adjust this revolve like this. Just click on this point and just drag like this. Okay, like this. You can drag this point or whatever the angle, at what angle you wanted that revolve command should be there. You can put manually value also here. Here is the value. Double click on the value, put 90, enter. Here on 90 degree, double click and 180 degree and enter 180 revolution. Okay, this is another one option in here. And just click on the revolve command. Here are different options are also available here. Now this revolve is created. This is solid revolve. Okay, or solid extrude. Click on the revolve. Here surface option is also here. Revolve as a surface. If you click on this the surface, here you can see here. Okay, this is now hollow inside the area. Okay, like this. If you click on the solid, here you can see now this is solid part. Okay, solid revolve. Okay, now next, here another option is here. We use this first option, revolve from sketch plane by the specified angle value. Means we revolve the object whatever the drawn, revolve from sketch plane. Okay, and what is the sketch plane here? Here I will show. Okay, here green rectangular is visible to you. This is the sketch plane. Okay, just go to the sketch and we'll see this also revolve on both side. If I click on revolve on both side, okay, What it means? You can drag this point of extrusion simultaneously. Okay, like this. Means here in this green we have as we have drawn this rectangular which indicating in green color. This is the sketch plane. Okay, and what command we are using? Revolve on both sides of the sketch plane. This is the sketch plane, and the revolving of this object is happening both side of the plane. Okay, this is the plane, this is the first side, this is the second side. Okay, and here is the center axis. Okay, so this is how we can use the revolve command on both side of the sketch plane. And third one is also available here, revolve to selected point. If I click this, okay, revolve to selected point means system is asking it will be revolve up to, we have to specify the next point, okay, for revolution. Okay, for that we require a specific plane or specific, what you can say, just go to the revolve, again go to district symmetric revolve. Okay, yeah, for understanding the third one command, okay, which is extrude up to the selected point. Again go to the revolve, click on this and click on revolve to selected point. Okay, after doing this, here the next plane you can select this plane also. Okay, I have selected this plane, means this revolve is started from this sketch plane, starting point is here, and from here and here and here up to this point. Okay, means I have selected this plane. Okay, so this is the second plane or second point which I selected. Okay, so this is the purpose of how revolve up to the select point or plane. You can select the point, you can select the plane, you can select the surface. I have selected this plane, so second point extrusion is happen up to this point. This is the starting and this is the ending point. Okay, so I have shown you how to use this, how to draw this revolve in 3 ways. Okay, and the next option is available here. Here is the change angle direction of the revolve to other side of the sketch. Okay, this is the, if you click on this, so this will flip the direction of the extrusion. Okay, now here you can see. Okay, just go to the, actually unfortunately I clicked middle button of mouse, so this command is completed. Okay, that's why again I have to go to the revolve command, over revolve command, right click over there and just edit definition. Okay, because most of the time what happen, we used to double click on the middle mouse button. Okay, like this. So in this time what happened, the command is get closed and completed. That time we have to go to the revolve command and right click and click on edit definition. Again the revolve command is edited. Okay, so this is how you can re-edit or remodify the commands. Okay, again click on the change angle direction of the revolve to other side of the sketch. If I click on this, at opposite side of the that drawn extrusion in happen. Okay, like this. Here thicken sketch is there. If you click on this thicken, okay, here one dimension is showing here, 2.43. just double click on this and put 5 over there and press enter. Okay, it means you can give the thickness for the extrusion. Okay, here you can see, okay, clearly. So this is the thickness of the sheet metal, or we can say the surface of the rectangular faces. Okay, double click on it, again you can change to, I will make to 10 mm, press enter. Here you can see. Now this is inside a hollow. Okay, and the outside thickness you can adjust from here. Okay, go to the revolve command. So this is how you can give the thickness to that sheet metal or part drawn from here, and you can change the or flip the direction in that also. Change direction of revolve between one side, other side, or both side of the sketch. If I click on this, here you can see. So what the happen here, if I click on this, the thickness is given by the outside of the sketch. Okay, here in green rectangular you can see this was our drawn part. Okay, so the two way are there to give the thickness. Either you can give the thickness inside of the rectangular here, or either you can give the thickness outside of the rectangle. Okay, so here you can see this green color part is our actual sketch, and the thickness is given outside of the rectangular. Here this 10 mm. Okay, if I click on this again, the direction will be flip out, or direction will be changed in opposite side, means the thickness value will be given inside of the rectangular. Let's see how. Click on this command. Here you can see. Okay, like this. Now here the again one command is there. Enter some mode where you may view the attached geometry. To exit verify mode, press button 2 again. If I click on this, it will show how the final part will be for command, like what the implications of all the changes I have done in this command, what the final implication on this part. By clicking on this you can see. If I unclick, now again we will into the editing phase. Again go to the Revolve. So this is the purpose of this goggle shaped command. Okay, like this. Again go to the, again click on this. Here you can see. Again click on this, you can read it all the options. Okay, like this. Again go to the Revolve command. Here is the another one option is here. Click on the options. Now here this is the side 1 and this is side 2. Okay, we have two side 1 and side 2. Okay, so let's how to find us which is side 1 and which is side 2. So here is the side 2. On side 2 none option is selected. Click on the none and click on variable. Okay, here now this here you can see that this is the side 2. I have selected on variable, means you can change the of this revolve, extrusion of this revolve variably, means manually. Okay, like this. Just go to that point. This point is highlighting, and then click on this and just press click and drag anywhere. Okay, like this. Then this is the first side. If you can select this second side also in the variable. Click on that, click on variable. Now this is the first side, and now we have changed to variable mode, so we can change variably or manually. Okay, like this. And here is the when you can enter value also here of angle value. Okay, so click on the close. So this is how to play with this revolve command in different way, and how to use the command revolve in different options are I covered in this video. So hope you understand and got all about revolve command, how to use different ways, all the operations related to revolve command in Creoparametric model. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. This is my humble request, and I have all videos and single video for single commands. So we'll get a very deep knowledge of the Creoparametric. This is the very best way, because you once you study all the commands of Creoparametric, then you can draw any object, any drawings, and you can do any 3D models. Okay.